Welcome class 10th to the another module of life process chapter. In this video I am going to discuss the first life process, that is nutrition. So let's begin with the first topic, that is nutrition. This nutrition is the most basic and important life process for every living organism, and it is the word nutrition is taken from a Latin word nutrire, which means to nourish. So, nutrition can be defined as the process of obtaining and utilizing the food for meeting various requirements of a living organism. On the basis of whether the organism is obtaining the food from other organism or it is preparing itself, the nutrition is divided into two types, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So the first one, that is the autotrophic nutrition. It can also be called as a holophytic nutrition. The autotrophic word is taken from a Greek word, two Greek words, that is autos and troph. Autos means self and troph means nourishment. So here the word itself is stating that this is a mode of nutrition in which organisms can synthesize their own food, own organic food from inorganic raw materials with the help of energy. Okay, so autotrophic, on the basis of whether they are utilizing the energy or not, it is also further divided into two categories, that is chemoautotrophic nutrition or and the second one is photoautotrophic nutrition. If the organism is only utilizing the inorganic raw materials and there is no involvement of solar energy or any kind of energy, then it will come under the chemoautotrophic nutrition, and the example will be the bacteria. Second autotrophic mode of nutrition is the photoautotrophic, that is the general one, in which the organisms utilize the solar energy, utilize the sunlight to convert the inorganic raw material into the organic food. Okay, so they are synthesizing the organic food from inorganic substances. So here the example will be the organisms which is having the autotrophic mode of nutrition. The example will be the plants. All kinds of plants, they are having the autotrophic mode of nutrition, and they synthesize the food by the process called photosynthesis. Now this photosynthesis takes place inside the leaves of the leaf part of the plant, where chloroplast is present. So the actual site of the photosynthesis is the chloroplast. Now we will discuss the photosynthesis first. Photosynthesis can be simply defined as the biochemical process of manufacturing organic food from carbon dioxide and water with the help of solar energy, and it generally takes place in the leaves part of the plant, and inside the leaf the cell containing chloroplast is the main site of photosynthesis. Now photosynthesis, it has been taken from two Greek words, photos, that means light, and synthesis, that means putting together. So here with the help of light, carbon dioxide and water is combined to form glucose molecule, carbohydrate, or you can say simply a food. So here food is synthesized with the help of sunlight, and other materials are also required like carbon dioxide and water, and it generally takes place in the leaves of the plant. So what are the things required for the photosynthesis process? Four basic requirements are there: carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight, because sunlight can only be trapped by this green pigment called chlorophyll, and carbon dioxide is taken from the atmosphere, water is absorbed by the soil with the help of roots, and beside these four components other elements like cobalt, then manganese is there, or calcium is also required, is very much required for the process of photosynthesis. These minerals or elements, you can say, are involved in the activation of certain enzymes which play a very vital role in the photosynthesis process. Let's see the major events that take place during the photosynthesis process. First is the absorption of solar energy by chlorophyll. Second is conversion of solar energy into chemical energy, that is the food. And the third is the reduction of carbon dioxide to form carbohydrate. So these are the three major events that take place in the photosynthesis process. On screen you can see the chemical reaction that occurs during the photosynthesis. As you can see, two reactants are combined in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form the main product, that is C6H12O6, a glucose molecule, and another byproduct, that is oxygen and water. So this is a balanced equation of photosynthesis process. Next time we will discuss the mechanism of photosynthesis. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.